So what I heard this morning is there is a gift coming your way, and this gift has been crafted just for you. It is not for anybody else on this planet. It is the type of gift that is going to bring tears of joy to you, because you will recognize the uniqueness of this gift. There is nothing you've ever experienced as this gift. And what I'm hearing is it's a big outcome for a big process. So you see, it's as if you've been managing to do something, and because everybody is special on this planet, everybody has a specificity, a gift, a talent that nobody else has. And that's your birthright. That is how God, the Most High, is designing all of us with this specificity. And 111 on the timer when I was saying that. That's, from my perspective, from my truth, what you have to uncover is your purpose. Your life mission is to discover what is so unique on your system and how you're going to be able to monetize it. I'm hearing, and that's the problem with certain parents, that they do not understand that their only mission is guardian, just being a guardian. Your children does not belongs to you. They're just this is very beautiful what I'm tapping into. It's the unique role of a parent is just to make sure to identify what your children has as a specific gift, because then you're supposed to support them in this sense and you're supposed to guide them. So therefore you're just a guardian, you're just a guide for your kids. And most of our traumas are coming from the fact that our parents are actually not healed to be able to be a safe guard and a safe guide, like protecting their kids and guiding them toward the best ever decision. And thank you for the confirmation on my phone. It is such a mission, but it is such a, I'm hearing that this is everything. So you see, it's really like they do not belong to you. The only thing that you have is guiding your children. And the traumas are coming from there mainly. It's because they were not guiding. They were actually passing the trauma, the generational curse placed on the family, not being responsible of their act, not being responsible of the way they behave. And I'm tapping into a very beautiful soul right now that has been very traumatized by Mother, Father, Maria, regarding the impact they were supposed to, I'm hearing, let a legacy, but what they left is just traumas after traumas, while other parents are letting blessings over blessings because they're just making sure their children are safe and protected and balanced in terms of love and discipline. And in this sense, it's as if you need to have a permit, a license to be a parent, which I do believe it's the truth personally. Not everybody can be a parent. Kraje Mikisinski Arayan Karoku and Daraway Kiriono Azoromoata Kirene Waya Magia Tarumukotarukiesa. Yeah, I'm really tapping into someone that has been left 5-5 on a timer. Something is changing. The gift that you're going to receive is going to help you actually build the legacy. So you might be a mother or a father or just a child of very toxic parents, and they didn't let you anything, any values, any legacy. They didn't teach you how to behave, anything structure oriented, how to make history, how to impact this world. They didn't let you anything to be inspired of. They literally let you as a legacy a trauma. It's heavy in your heart space. You remember here that you made a pact with them, you made a contract before incarnation, and now you are letting this contract go as you're taking your power back. Mother side, they try to come back, and it could be this karmic we were talking about a few weeks and days ago. They have very hard time letting you go because this contract was made to destroy you. I'm hearing. I'm so happy for you that you successfully detach from this individual. Receive these codes that will help you emancipate even more. Just being able to see the bigger picture, for you to envision your life the way you want, not the life you came here to be as the child of your toxic parent, but God stepping into you, giving you the right vision, you following the truth, not manifesting from the wounded perspective, but literally taking your power back and manifesting the dream reality you want based on your gift, talents, and abilities. You can check my website as I have deep codes, downloads, and activation that will help you actually activate fully your gift, talents, and abilities. Activate your soul mission if you're a light worker, or just remove from your DNA traumatic experience, trapped emotion, for you to align with your highest timeline, highest potential. I have here 2 decks because for some reason I've been very guided to get the 2. And my God, there is a lot of movement I'm seeing. And again, this center here, everything is coming back to balance. And what I'm tapping into is that it implies the death of your old self regarding you are the son or the daughter of these parents. It is coming back to balance. I am having the yin yang also in my mind's eye. And this is literally because you're understanding that this is not because, oh my God, yeah, you're transmuting at this time. You're literally working with the fire. And what I'm hearing is you're transmuting with the anger you can feel inside. It's fire. The anger is fire. When it's well used, it's beautiful fire. So you have to use it correctly. To burn the chains, I'm hearing, to burn the contracts. And it's your understanding also that this is not because this parent, mother, father, are your blood family. That is actually meaning that you have any connection with them, if that makes sense. So this is like some of the breakthrough you're having. And actually what I'm tapping into is beautiful. It's like you choose your family from your friends, your partner, they're your family. That's the truth, what I'm saying right now. And this is beautiful. Yeah, you need a spiritual cleansing. If you're surrounded with nature, please go in nature, forest, or in the sea. That's the best remedy. That's the best medicine. You need to do a full cleaning. I'm telling you. Next full moon, because the last new moon we had is leading to this powerful full moon. Get ready to have this gift. And until next time, namaste.